Hello, how are you? Welcome to another video. First, we have to go to a browser. I use Chrome browser. And this is a website through which help you can call any number from anywhere without showing your number. I am just showing you the process, the method. After using this method, if you can't do this, then call me or then tell me, comment me. First, log in this website, and website address is in the notification description and in the comment section. Then tap call option and you have to choose country from here, and after choosing country you have to enter your number and then tap the call option and then you can see what happens next. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.